This is how the car looks at the moment with the factory number plate lights. These are standard halogen bulbs which look outdated, so I'll be swapping these out with some new white LED ones. Each light is secured to the car using two clips which are on either side. I used a flat screwdriver to unclip the existing lights on the car. This was a bit difficult to do as the clips were held in quite securely, but I was also trying to be extra careful with the flat screwdriver as I didn't want to damage any paintwork. Take your time with this step and eventually the clips will come off. The next step is to remove the light housing from the bulb. It's a bit difficult to see what I'm doing in this clip, but all I'm doing is twisting the housing anti-clockwise whilst holding onto the bulb socket, and it will come off. Here is the original light housing, and you can also see the bulb fitting here. Now we need to remove the bulb, and this is held in quite securely, but eventually it will come off. And this is what the bulb looks like. This is the new smoked LED number plate light that we will be fitting to the car. All we need to do here is to push the black pin into the original light bulb socket. This is how the fitting should look. You might want to test that the lights work before you fit it on, but it just clips back into the original place. That's how it looks once both sides are done, but I'll come back at night and show you properly. So this is how the car looked before. And this is how it looks with the new LED bulbs. I really like how bright these lights are, and they also give a nice effect on the ground which I really like. I hope you found that useful. Please let me know if you did. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.